clean him. Basically touch it, guys. That's it. Alright. That is it. This guy gonna jump on a cruiser, so I'm stay tuned and watch how I go on. You see it? But this is not the boat I'm going on. I'm going on the Carnival, Venezia. That is it.
Where are you? Up, you made you board the ship.
See, I know. Babe, you can't help me with the pronunciation. Carnival, Venezia. 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 Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Carnival, Venezia. Yeah. Seconds now, guys, to be on board. Seconds. See, then boy, I load up my phone. I'm not eating with them, you see them? Them boy are pushing. Them guys are pushing the boat, suitcase, everything, see it? Good morning, how are you?
You're gonna make your mommy scared. She said she wants to. She'll take your hand you have and squish it. Almost was 20 feet or so. Oh, you gotta watch your game plane on the reverse. That's when I go across the game plane. Arr, baby, walk the game plane. Arr. Tequila, you man. on your gas right?
So, you can, here too. Well, see me look pad here. So I go on here. My 10-day cruise. I'm good with this. So when I say, I'm kinda I welcome us on board. You see it? Yeah man. Mum closet and everything over there, so but last but not least, but mum over there so like so yes guys, it's small. But yeah, we are gonna enjoy this to the fullest. So big up on yourself. And if they water yap, we don't drink them. So they can't catch it. Now fall feet. That is it. That is it. From my cruise ship to the city. Yes guys, me I gotta see it today. I'm on the Carnival Venezia. Yeah man. That is it. See it, my boat bigger than that boat. Right? So I feel safe upon this boat. Less chance of water hitting me. Yeah man. It's pretty big though.
Disco lights, loving this moment with you. To this spot, I say jamais, toi tu restes près de moi. Heartbeat on the dance floor. Cette nuit est notre histoire. Rien d'autre compte, juste toi dans mes bras. J'abandonne tout pour toi, pour te garder près de moi. Everything can fade away as long as you're here to stay. Lost in a sea of faces, mais je ne vois que toi. Dans ce monde de délices, tu es mon unique choix. Champagne and neon dreams, la fête nous prend et puis tous nos soucis oubliés, just to keep you close to me. J'abandonne tout pour toi, pour te garder près de moi. Everything can fade away as long as you're here to stay. Let's set this night on fire, hold me close, nous deux ensemble. Je pourrais tout perdre, mais jamais toi, mon amour, mon flambeau. J'abandonne tout pour toi, pour te garder près de moi. Everything can fade away as long as you're here to stay.
That's all, guys. Just cruising. That is it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Cave Lifestyle. That is it. Yeah, man, second there. I'm gonna look for Camaro later. I don't know where Camaro is. Camaro on foot. Statue of Liberty. Liberty. Yes. See there? Close up, guys. Statue of Liberty. So you can go close up. Yeah, man. Guys, I'm boat window me there do this in the window. Watch the container ship across. From my boat to this boat.
Wash them and go down, so let that see.
You might bring it things to my land.
As you can see,
And this is nothing understand. Yeah. Yeah. Dinner at sea. Nothing but a big body of water, guys. That is it. Dinner at sea, Cave Lifestyle. It's a fun trip, guys. It's still nice. I enjoy the cruise, epic. Second day on the cruise, guys. Chilling. It's windy out here. Everybody's at the pool. Carnival is trying to get some fruits. Gosh, the fruit is in there. Because you know, really want no food for the boat. Because you know she loves her patty and stuff. Moms, say good morning. Second day, mom just get up. Attack the fruits and kind of still look a drowsy. But as well, you know, Cave Lifestyle. Cave Lifestyle is always up and active because I get my rest. See you with you guys. Nice and windy, I tell you here. Good morning, good morning. Yes, yes, yes. So he's at the fruit stand, you know, and not too heavy, so we are going to take something light. So kind of go get fruits. I'll be getting that too as well. And then later on, we eat. More than enough food here for everybody, so no one have to rush. We don't know anything. Yeah, man, this is what's going on first thing in the morning. Everyone is trying to get a window seat to have breakfast by the window, as you can see. Yeah, people are eating. So guys, we'll grab something, see, so stay tuned and watch out, man.